Welcome to this course on Introduction to the Python Programming and its Application. Okay, so welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today we will going to learn about how to draw a pie plot with the help of a Matplotlib library. This is the pie plot which we will going to create with the help of a Matplotlib. And in this, what we have done, we have taken the election results. So what we have done here, we have just taken seats, they have won. Okay, so here we will be starting with this that okay, BJP have obtained, let's say, 240 seats. Okay, and Indian National Congress, let's say INC 99, SP 37 seats, AITC, let's say 29 seats, uh, DMK 22 seats, and TDP 16 seats. So total, if we do this 240 plus 99 plus 37 plus 29 plus 22 plus 16, okay, it will going to come out to be 443. And if I divide 240 by the 443, so it will going to come out to be my 0.5417. That means we will be talking about the 54.18%. So this figure which you are seeing is this one. Similarly, if we talk about the INC, so INC score 99. So if we divide the 99 by 443, we will be getting the percentage of 0.2234. That means 22.35%. Okay, and this is the value which we are getting here. Okay, so our task is to plot the exact pie plot with the help of a Matplotlib library. So for this, what we have to do first, we have to write here. Okay, we are giving this as a party, so I'm writing PRTY party. And what are the party I'm using? I'm using the, let's say, BJP. Then I'm using the INC. Then I'm using the SP. Then I'm using the AITC, and then I'm taking the DMK, and then I'm taking the TDP. So what we have done is that we have entered the parties, what are the different parties that are available, and now what we will going to see that how much seat they have won. Okay, so we will be writing a seat, and then we will be writing the number here. Let's say BJP we have at 240, then 99, then 37, then it was 29, then 22, then 60. Run it. So first we will going to draw a simple pie plot, and then we will learn step by step how to generate this plot. Okay, so what we have done here is that we have defined the parties and the seat won by these parties. Now what I have to do next is that I have to plot it. So first we will going to see a simple pie plot, and then we will going to see that how we can improve this pie plot to get the exact image which is on our screen. So I will be writing plt.py. Then I have to pass the data, and what is my data? Data is my seats. So I'm writing the seat. Then I have to give the label. So what are the labels? Labels are these BJP and all. So I will be giving the label equal to party. Okay, and let me run this. So here you can see that I have got this one BJP INC, SP, AITC, TDP, DMK. Now here what you can see that okay, the color which we required is not getting. Okay, so we have to define the colors also. And also you can see that the percentage which we required is the 54.18 is also not available. Okay, so what we will be doing here, first we will be using the auto PCT, and what we want here is that till how much digit you want this percentage should come. So let's say we are saying that okay, 2 digit, because 0.18, so we have got a last 2 digit we want that it should come. Okay, so I will be using the point to f, and then I will be using the percentage sign. Okay, and you have to give inverted comma in this, and let me run this first. So now you can see that okay, I'm getting this percentage 54.18, 22.35, 3.61, 4.97, 6.55, and 8.35. Okay, so now what we have done, we have achieved this number which we were having on our screen. Okay, now next what we have to do is that we want to obtain the colors. Okay, so we have to define these colors in the plt.py, and then we will be able to get this thing. So how I'm will going to do it, I will write a colors equal to, and then I have to pass the colors, whatever the colors I will be using. For example, I will be using the orange for the this one. Next color we will be using for the INC, deep sky blue. So I will be writing deep sky blue. So you can select this color from the official website of Matplotlib. So you can give these name, or you can give the color coding of it. So both will going to work. So here I am writing only the names. Then we have got a red color for the Samajwadi Party, and then we are getting the gray color, or we can say it's a light steel blue color, light steel blue color. Let me put it in the inverted comma. Then we have got the DMK. We are giving the lime color, and then we are giving the blue color for the TTP. Okay, so I'm writing the blue color, and let me run this. So let me show you this first. That okay, these are the colors which we are using. plt.py. We are giving the color orange, deep sky blue, red, light blue. So you can see that we have tried to achieve this one. That okay, we are getting the BJP, the same color we are getting. Then the color which we have defined for the Indian National Congress. So we are able to achieve the same replica with the help of our Matplotlib. So next, if you want to increase this graph, okay, so I'm just showing you here that what you can do is that you can provide the radius, that what should be the radius of this. So by default, the radius is 1 right now. So if I write here radius equal to 0.5, so let me run it, and you will going to see that now my graph has become very small. Okay, so if you want a good quality graph, or you want that okay, the figure size should be big, so you can define the radius here. So let's say I'm writing 1.5, and let me run this again. So now you can see that now I'm getting this one. Okay, so let me write here finally the plt.show, and let me run it. So we have achieved the same graph which we were expecting. So thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and have understood how we can draw this graph.